Welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the project management section of our accounting ERP software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Projects. This is where you create and define projects. From the main window, select Projects. Click Create. Type project name. Select Start and End Date. Upload project images. Select the client and user or employee handling the project. Enter the project details, that is, budget, estimated hours, description and tag. Select the project status. Click Create. To edit project, select the project from the project list, select Edit icon. Edit the project details, then click Update to save changes. To delete project, select project from the project list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for other projects. Project management. To update the shared project settings, Gantt chart, tracker, expense, timesheet, bug report and task. From the main window, select Projects. Click on the project name. Click on Shared Project Settings icon, update, then click Save. Click on Gantt chart to view Gantt chart. Click on Tracker to view tracker. To update expense, click on Expense, click Create. Enter the expense name, date, amount, task, and description. Upload supporting document, then click Create. To update timesheet, click Timesheet. Click Add Task to Timesheet. Select a date and the corresponding task, enter the time assigned with description. Click Save. To edit bug report, click Bug Report. Click Create. Enter the bug title, priority, start and end date, select the bug status and the personnel assigned, type description, then click Create. Tasks. This is where you list tasks for your projects and their progress. From the main window, select Tasks. To edit a task, select the task. Click on the employee name assigned to the task. Select Edit. Update the task name, milestone, stage, description, estimated hours, priority, start and end date, then click Update. Timesheet. This is where you define timesheets for your projects. From the main window, select Timesheet. Select a date and the corresponding task. Enter the time assigned with description. Click Save. Bug. This section displays bug reports. From the main window, select Bug. To edit a bug, select the bug. Click on the employee name assigned to the task. Select Edit. Enter the bug title, priority, start and end date, select the bug status and the personnel assigned, type description, then click Update. Task Calendar. This section displays task calendar. From the main window, select Task Calendar. Tracker. This section displays Project Tracker. From the main window, select Tracker. Project Report. This section displays the project reports. From the main window, select Project Report. Select Users, Status, Start and End Date, then click Search. Project reports will be displayed. To view report to detail, select the project, click View icon. To edit report, select the project, click Edit icon. Project System Setup. Project Task Stages. This is where you create and define project task stages. From the main window, select Project System Setup, then Project Task Stages. Click Create. Type the project task name, then select Color. Click Create. To edit project task, select the project task from the project task list, select Edit icon. Edit the project task details, then update. To delete project task, select the project task from the project task list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Drag and drop the task according to how you would want them to appear. Repeat this process for the other task stages. Bug status. This is where you create and define bug status. From the main window, select Project System Setup, then Bug Status. Click Create. Type the bug name. Click Create. To edit bug status, select the bug status from the bug status list, select Edit icon. Edit the bug status details, then update. To delete bug status, select the bug status from the bug status list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Drag and drop the bug status according to how you would want them to appear. Repeat the cycle for the other bug status. For more clarifications on the above demo video or technical support, kindly reach us out through the comment section below or email us at info@accountingerpsystemsoftware.online.